lighting can completely change the way your TV setup looks and feels. A good LED backlight can make movie nights better, reduce eye strain, and give your room a calm atmosphere. I have listed the best 5 LED TV backlights that are easy to use and give a nice glow behind your screen. These options work well for different budgets and room sizes. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. This way, you can check them out and pick the one that fits your setup best. Number 5. Nanoleaf 4D. This is one of the most feature-packed TV backlights you can buy, making it a great choice for anyone who loves customization and immersive visuals. Its standout feature is TV screen mirroring, which extends the colors of your shows, movies, and games right onto your walls for a theater-like experience. It works with TVs and monitors up to 65 inches, and the included gradient light strip adds depth by showing multiple colors at once with 10 zones per meter. You can trim the light strip to fit your setup, and it will automatically adjust the effects to the new size. This gives you 4 screen mirror modes, ranging from subtle background glow to full 4D effects. Add in the rhythm sound reactivity, and the lights will also move to your music, turning a simple watch session into a vibrant show. Privacy-conscious users will also appreciate the included magnetic camera cover, which blocks the lens when not in use. Another strong point is its Sync Plus technology, which lets you extend the effects to over 50 Nanoleaf devices at once, perfect for those who already own Nanoleaf panels or bulbs. With app, controller, and voice assistant controls, this offers flexibility and creativity, making it the best option for advanced smart lighting features. Number 4. Syncy LED. This LED backlight stands out as the best option for outdoor use, thanks to its weather-resistant and shatterproof design. While most TV backlights are made only for indoor setups, this one is versatile enough for outdoor parties, gaming nights, or backyard movie sessions. It comes in a generous 32 feet strip with a power cord and mounting clips, giving you flexibility to install it around your TV, patio, or entertainment space. One of its biggest strengths is the CNC app, powered by Savant. The app allows you to control brightness, change modes, set schedules, and even use true image technology to preview colors before applying them. For entertainment, the Music Sync feature makes the strip react to your favorite tracks, creating an upbeat atmosphere for parties or workouts. Setup is straightforward. Just cut it to the right size and link extensions up to 32 feet. Unlike some competitors, this system doesn't need a hub or bridge, just a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. You can also control it via Amazon Alexa or Google Home, making it a great fit for smart home users. If you're looking for a backlight that can handle both indoor and outdoor settings with vibrant colors and smart controls, this is the best durable and outdoor-ready choice. Number 3. Radiant Flux TV LED Backlight. This TV LED backlight offers an immersive experience without a premium price tag, making it the best budget-friendly option for those wanting a strong balance of features and value. It delivers vibrant RGB colors that enhance your screen's contrast and clarity, and the ambient lighting is soft enough to prevent eye strain during long viewing or gaming sessions. One of its standout features is the real-time screen sync powered by a 1080p camera. Using advanced AR sensor technology, it captures the on-screen colors and instantly mirrors them with little to no delay. This makes it great for gamers and movie lovers who want responsive lighting effects. It also provides 12 dynamic scene modes and 6 music sync modes, making it easy to match your lighting to different moods or occasions. With its companion ULamp app, you can customize scenes, adjust brightness, and even create your own effects, giving you a lot of control over the ambience. Installation is simple, with a 12.4 feet strip that fits most TVs, plus a camera that attaches to the top center. While it works best in dark rooms, it's still a strong performer for its price. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing key features like music sync and camera-based lighting, this is the best immersive budget pick. Number 2. Philips Hue Play Gradient. This is widely regarded as the best premium option for TV backlights. Designed specifically for entertainment setups, it delivers stunning color accuracy and smooth gradient effects that make movies, sports, and gaming sessions more engaging. The light strip attaches neatly to the back of a 55-inch TV, with mounting brackets that make it easy to bend around corners for a perfect fit. What makes this stand out is its integration into the broader Hue ecosystem. With millions of colors and the ability to sync with Hue play bars and other Hue lights, it can turn your entire room into an immersive light show. However, to unlock its full potential, you'll need the Hue bridge and sync box. This adds to the cost, but also ensures unmatched performance and reliability. The Hue app gives you complete control over customization, brightness, and responsiveness. You can also use voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. Whether you want a subtle glow during late-night shows or full cinematic effects during movies, this system adapts beautifully. If you're willing to invest more for top-tier performance, seamless syncing, and integration with one of the most trusted smart lighting ecosystems, this is the best high-end choice. Number 1. Govee Envisual. This takes the crown as the best overall LED TV backlight, offering the right mix of performance, features, and affordability. Its dual-camera setup provides more accurate color detection compared to single-camera systems, making the visuals highly immersive and true to what's on your screen. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming sports, the lighting extends naturally into your room for a theater-like experience. One of Govee's biggest strengths is the Dream View feature, which lets you sync multiple Govee devices together. This means you can combine your TV lights with Govee bulbs, lamps, or wall lights for a fully coordinated setup. Add in the enhanced RGBIC lighting with denser LEDs, and you get vibrant, smooth effects that feel more polished than many competitors. The Govee Home app offers extensive control, with modes like Rhythm, Spectrum, and DIY, plus festive presets for parties and holidays. Voice control is supported too, making it easy to adjust without reaching for your phone. Installation is user-friendly, and Govee provides calibration tips to get the most accurate results. With its balance of price, customization, and visual quality, this delivers the most complete package, which is why it's considered the best overall LED TV backlight for stunning ambience. Transforming your TV setup has never been easier, and these 5 LED backlights prove just how much the right ambience can change your viewing experience. Whether you want a cozy movie night glow or a vibrant gaming atmosphere, these picks bring both style and immersion straight into your living room. For the best deals on all the LED TV backlights featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.